Welcome to a video from thedigital-lifestyle.com. New Windows 11 build to look at. This is 22471 for Windows Insiders on the Dev channel. Surprise Monday build that came out. And there's actually no major changes to this build. Windows 11 is released this week, so perhaps that's why they're just getting some fixes in here. The main change that they say is the tablet input service panel has been renamed. But that's under the hood stuff. So the rest of the changes are actually just fixes. So they've fixed an issue where the this little menu here, the flyout here, had square corners sometimes, and they fixed that. They fixed some issues with File Explorer crashing, or when you're opening Windows, you open the File Explorer and it would crash. They fixed some input issues. They fix some. This fixed things like if you type WT from the run dialog, instead of a terminal opening in the foreground, it opens in the background. So they fix that, and they fix some networking issues as well, and some thing on ARM64 PCs as well, where the display language wouldn't display correctly. There are still some known issues with this build. If you're going from an early build, like 22000, you may get a message saying about flight signed. You've got to enable reboot and then retry the update on that one. And some people have experienced sleep and screen timeouts being reduced, so the time that the screen would disappear or would go to sleep mode, that kind of thing. There's still some issues with the taskbar, with notifications not coming through quite clearly, and the widgets. But that's it really. There's not much to show you in this build video. I always do these build videos, and if there's a lot of changes, I can show you those. And if there aren't, then I'll show you what they are talking about. So thanks so much for the video. You can find out more on thedigital-lifestyle.com. I'm @iSticks on Twitter.